Hello and welcome back to Just Code It. Today we're going to be taking a look at Plotly Sunburst charts and how to create them. Let's just jump right in and do our imports, importing Plotly Express and some other things. The first example we're going to take a look at is just a very basic form of it where we're going to do a region, a country, and then sales. After creating that data, we're then going to create a data frame with it. Run it, and we can see we just have region, country, sales. We create a Sunburst chart by doing px Sunburst, pass it the data frame, and then we do region and country. What this does is the outermost or country is going to be mapped into regions. The country is going to split out as it goes out in the circle to region. It's probably just easier to print this and show you. We have country down here, and then we have the regions. We have the, sorry, I completely said that backwards. You create a Sunburst chart by doing px Sunburst and then pass it our data frame. Our path is the important variable here where we do region and then country. This defines the hierarchy and levels. Goes region, and then region can get split up into different countries. And we just run this and we can see region is the lower level and it can split up into the countries in that region. That's a very basic Sunburst chart. We're going to do region, country, product, and sales. And just print this out. I wonder why that didn't show. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we have our data frame there. Now we create the multi-level figure using Sunburst, pass it the data frame, and then our path is going to be region, it's going to go to countries, and then go into products. It's going to be nestled in that format. Region is going to be in the inside of the circle, and then the values are going to be we're going to be using the sales numbers to create the values. Moving down, we then have color by sales. It's going to color based off of the sales value. And the scale is going to be the scale, red, blue. Color, continuous midpoint. This is just the average, the midpoint of the scale. And then width and height. Run that, and we can see after creating that Sunburst chart, we're then going to run it. And we get this Sunburst where it's Asia split out into Japan, and then the different products that they make and the sales for each one. We also color by sales. The laptops over here are made by China a lot, or US is making a decent amount of laptops, things like that. But Canada really doesn't make cell phones. Now we're going to create another multi-level Sunburst. Again, this is the exact same as above. The next step though is a bit different. We're going to create those unique regions, just the data frame, unique values in the data frame. We're going to use that to create some buttons. Then we're going to create a list of buttons. This list is a list of dictionaries that have a label, method, and then args. The args are used in here to essentially list properties that you want to update. So we're going to create the levels and we're going to update it throughout. Coming down here, you can see how we're setting the levels to regions. We're passing in each region. After creating that button list, we come down here and iterate over the unique regions, and then we're going to set the button list dot append, and we're going to append a dictionary with label, method, and then the args now are going to be level region, adding in the variable that we want to essentially update. Last but not least, we're going to update the layout. The difference in this update layout is going to be the update menu, which is past a list of dictionaries with type, button, direction, down, then just horizontal positioning, anchor point. We're anchoring it to the left, Y anchor to the top, and then Y vertical position. Showcase is going to be active, so it's going to highlight, and then buttons are going to be that list of buttons we just created up here. Margin, just increase the margin a little bit. And finally showing the figure. So here we run, and here we have a nice little selector that allows you to select each type or each region and drill into it. You can also do that just by double clicking in Plotly. It's nice to sometimes have a figure or a button for a specific function. That is it for Plotly Sunburst charts. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time.